Wanna know how to create an account in Reolink? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Reolink application, and once you're there, on the bottom right side, you should be seeing your icon right here. This is you. Just simply head towards this right here. And now here, just simply on the top under your profile, you should be seeing login. Just simply select it. Now, since we have to create an account, just simply type in your email address first. And once you've selected continue, just type in your password. Select agree to the terms and conditions and then select sign up. Now you should be good to go. Now make sure to activate your account and verify your email within 120 minutes. So you can just simply head towards your mail app and verify it. And that's it. Once you have verified your email, you should be directed to the login page to the browser, and now you can just head back to the app and log in itself. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.